Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Gio. I'm a tech and travel enthusiast who is passionate about photography and videography. Maybe I should welcome myself back to the channel as well, because it's been so long since I uploaded my last video. I know there were many reasons I couldn't get myself into making a video anytime sooner. I was really busy with my regular job. For those who don't know, this is not my full-time job. I have a regular job, and there were also other things on the side that I had to attend to. And additionally, I had a solo road trip where I drove my car around beautiful states of British Columbia near Vancouver. It was an amazing trip. I have lots of breathtaking videos and photos, but as I said, I couldn't get myself into editing and posting those yet. But hopefully, next video after this one will be my road trip video. I just can't wait to show you those amazing, beautiful places I've been. Honestly, the actual reason I couldn't even have a will to edit and post anything because I've been having issues with my computer. It started getting super slow and it started getting really frustrating. So I wasn't even able to complete just a regular daily task with it. And that brings us to today's video. After many years as a Windows user, I decided to switch to Mac systems, and I recently got a brand new Mac Studio M4 Max. The beautiful, silent beast of a machine. And with this beast, finally, my dream setup is complete. I want to walk you through my setup and show you the gears and things I put together. So first, let's talk about the star of the show, Mac Studio M4 Max. I got the base model without an upgrade. This thing is a powerhouse. It's got the new M4 Max chip. Super efficient, whisper quiet, and it flies through high resolution video and photo editing and exporting, and also multitasking at the same time. I know I could have chosen Mac Mini M4 or Mac Mini M4 Pro to start with, but I went with this not because I need the most power today, but because I believe investing in tools that grow with me. I kinda wanna future-proof myself and my work. As a content creator on the side, editing videos and photos, I didn't want a machine that would slow me down when I'm deep into it. The Mac Studio gives me that freedom and peace of mind. As I mentioned earlier, I bought the base model of the Mac Studio M4 Max, and while purchasing it, I also purchased the Pro App Bundle package, which comes with Final Cut Pro, Motion, Compressor, Logic Pro, and Main Stage apps all together. I won't be going into those benchmark details as I myself am a newbie in Mac OS systems, and also there are already tons of those videos which are done by more qualified users. I'm still learning to get around with the Mac system and the new apps which I never used before, and with my previous computer I was learning DaVinci Resolve, and mainly I was using CapCut to edit my videos, but now I'm switching to Final Cut Pro, and I can already say it is easier to learn than trying to learn DaVinci Resolve. I don't know, to me DaVinci Resolve seemed more complex. I know some of you might want to say that this looks like buying a Lambo without knowing how to drive it, but this doesn't mean I will never learn to drive it. Of course, I cannot recommend everyone to go with Mac Studio if they are like me. I mean, if you have the budget and you think that you are actually gonna put an effort to use all the power you have in your hand, it definitely makes sense to buy Mac Studio, even if this is not your full-time job and you're not making money out of it. Things are changing and evolving so fast, so you never know how much power you're gonna need in the future. Let me also show you what I have paired it with. Here I have the monitor 27-inch Philips brand. I've been using this monitor quite some time already, and I can tell you that it's an amazing monitor. I already have a review with you of it, so if you want to watch it and get more details about it, I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can go ahead to that video and watch it. The only regret I have is that I did not buy two of these monitors. Unfortunately, they are sold out in Canada and I cannot purchase one more. I wish I could. I would love to have two of these. Secondly, I have a Logitech MX Keys S combo for Mac and Windows systems. It is a very chic combo of mouse and keyboard, and it also comes with this nice wrist cushion. The mouse is quite useful with multi-programmable buttons to make your life easy I think at least the mouse is more useful than Apple's Magic Mouse. It is a wireless combo. You can pair your computer with Bluetooth or the USB dongle it comes with. And the battery lives of these two are incredibly long. If you're an average user like me, I promise you it would last at least a month. And the sounds. I've got a Logitech as well, Z407. It's a 2+1 system with 2 speakers and 1 bass and wireless control unit. Crystal clear sound and strong bass gives you studio level experience. And as I said, this wireless controller is a great addition. It makes controlling your sound much easier and fun. And as you know, upgrading the storage capacity of Mac products costs lots of money. So I definitely needed an external storage, and here comes the Seagate expansion desktop hard drive. The one I have is 12 terabyte capacity, and it offers USB 3.0 fast file transfer, and it is compatible with Windows and Mac systems together. And of course, the base of the setup, height adjustable desk. I've got Motiongrey brand height adjustable desk. It is very sturdy and chic. It has some great additions such as cup holder and headset holder. I think these are really useful additions. When you're busy doing your work on your desk, you don't want to risk these expensive gears you have on by tipping your coffee. So you can easily keep your coffee or any drink in this cup holder and it will be safe. So you have no worries of spilling your drink over your expensive gears. And I actually added some more additions to the desk. Touch controlled LED lights. And lastly, Mimoglad brand height adjustable ergonomic chair. It is also very sturdy and comfortable. You can easily adjust the height of it, and you can also choose between lean back or sit straight positions. And you can also lift the armrest or put them down. You can use it however you like. I'm going to leave the links of all the products in the video description. If you wish to have the same, you can go ahead and check them out. Let me know in the comments what you think of my setup choices. Would you recommend any other additions to make it even better? I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to support my journey. Thanks for watching, and see you on another video.